Hey, what's up guys, what's going on? And today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove all the spam emails from your email account. So doing manually is very tough, so I'll be showing you a few ways by using which it will be very easy and it will take very less time for you to remove all the spam mails. So without wasting any further time, let's get started.
Okay, so here I am on my temporary Gmail which I created for this video purpose, and there are not too much mails over here, but obviously there are some. So you can use the same trick on your Gmail account and see the results, which will be very good for you guys. The first thing is you have to clear all this promotional emails. You have to click here, delete, and yeah, it will be going, and these are add. So you can do all together also. You have the option for that, and delete. Then you have to go on your socials. Again, you have to click on all because it's not necessary. And yeah, here I have only add, so I can't click anything. And then we'll go for this particular email, and you can see I can unsubscribe this thing because it will be sharing unnecessary information which I don't need as of now. So I'll just click on here. It will redirect it to his own website, and you have to just go and click these things. You have to read the website. The website might be different depending on where you have used your email ID. So sometimes it will just tell you to unsubscribe and it won't ask all these things. So yeah, this is unsubscribe now. And then what you have to do is you have to click here, filter messages like this, and just search. So it will give the list of all the emails which are similar to this and are promotional emails. So you can just click here and click on delete, which will easily delete your emails related to that stuff which you don't need. But yeah, always be careful while deleting your email. So once you delete, you can see in your bin also, but again, once you delete from your bin, you won't be able to recover those emails. So be careful while doing this stuff. And again, I'll show you one example with this, and here it is. So unsubscribe, and you have unsubscribed. So this is the simple way. Again, we'll go for filter, search, and it will list all the emails which are similar to this email, and you can hit delete. That's it. So this is the easy process which you can use and easily delete all your spam emails or promotional emails, in short. So that was all about this video. If you guys have any doubt or suggestion for me, you can let me know in the comment section, and also hit a like button if you find this video really helpful. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.